Now I will be showing you how to set up your Redux developer tool using Redux Toolkit. In plain Redux, manually we have to install the package and we have to do entire setup. But in Redux Toolkit, you don't have to do lot of setup. Instead, what you have to do, just search Redux DevTool extension, click on this first link, and here you should only add this Redux DevTool to the Chrome and click on this Add to Chrome. Click on this Add extension. Now here you can see I am having Redux DevTool has been added to Chrome. I will just click on this extension. And now if you see, this Redux DevTool is grayed out. So I will come to my application, just refresh once. Now click on this, you can see now it's been colored and successfully our developer tool is set up. And as it is done automatically, you don't have to install any packages. I will right click on this. Here I am having Redux DevTool. Click on this open in window. Now you can see now this DevTool is opened, but as soon as I click outside, that tool is going to be closed. So what I will do, right click, inspect, and inside this you can see here I will be having this Redux. Click on this, successfully I am able to open this DevTool. And inside that same process, we are having state, we are having actions. Whenever we dispatch the action, we are going to see all the action type. So just explore by yourself. But let me just click on order pizza. You can see this is the action type. Here type is mentioned. Now inside the state, my pizza base as well as burger bun is reduced by 1. Now I will click on this. Successfully, I have dispatched this action and burger bun is reduced by 1. If I give here 10 inside this input field, click on this. Now pizza base is reduced by 10. And here we are having this play. Just focus on this UI. I will click on this. Whatever actions I have dispatched, based on that, visually I can see the entire representation. So you will be having lot of options, and this tool is very helpful whenever you want to perform some debugging inside your Redux toolkit. So setting up developer tool inside Redux toolkit is very simple. You only have to add this extension inside Chrome and refresh your application.